Hello! In this video, we will be examining Excel's count functions: count, counta, countif, countifs. Essentially, what they do is count the cells within a given range which contain numbers or text, or satisfy a specified condition. Let's start with count, a pretty straightforward function to use. What it does is count the number of cells within a range which contain numbers. It does not count blank cells and cells that contain text. For instance, let's say that we would like to count how many cells are under the title Games Played. We need to type +count and select the cell range, E4 to E12. We can close the formula, as this is the only argument needed, and the result is that there are 9 cells containing numbers within the selected range. This is the output of the count function. A variation of count is counta, which counts non-empty cells, therefore counts both numbers and text. Let's count the cells from B4 to B12 with counta. I'll type counta and select the range. These are text cells which wouldn't have been counted with count. Counta, on the other hand, does that and tells us that they are 9. When we need to count the cells within a range which satisfy one or more conditions, we can use the countif and countifs functions. Let's count how many of the teams in our table earned more than 60 points. I'll type countif, then select the range to be counted. And after that, indicate the condition which needs to be satisfied in order to count the cells. In our case, their value has to be higher than 60. Please note that I can enter a condition as a hard number as well, typing quotation marks, higher than, and the number. Once we are ready, we can press Enter and see that 6 of the 9 teams earned more than 60 points. The countifs function allows us to introduce multiple conditions. Let's go to our example and count how many of the teams in the table earned more than 60 points and participated in the Champions League at the same time. I will type the formula and then select its first argument, the range of the first condition, that is the column indicating whether a team participated in the Champions League or not. The second argument is the condition to be satisfied within the range. Conditions can be written with quotation marks, as I am doing here. In our case, the first condition is yes, as we want only the teams which participated in the Champions League to be counted. Now we have to enter the second range and a condition related to it. We decided that we want to count only teams that earned more than 60 points. Therefore, select the range which contains the number of points achieved by each team and enter a condition of higher than 60. We can now close the formula bracket. The result that we obtained is that there were 4 teams which participated in the Champions League and earned more than 60 points.